Alright fellas, this is an old trunk, really old. I've already washed and cleaned it. I don't know why there are some white spots, but the aim for today is that let's convert this into something like this shiny table that we recently prepared, if you see some of my last videos. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward.
It sound right, boys. Sound right, boy.
It has started to take shape like wooden. This side seems to be done as well. I don't know if the video actually is doing really justice compared to what I can see here. Completely looks like wooden here, but as I see from the video up there, it looks like, I don't know, not wood. But let's see. I mean, I think the color would look quite like this when I do the varnish afterwards. So I'll continue and then I'll get back. I'll do this side and I'll get back. Okay guys, this looks covered with polish from all sides. So it's kind of giving a look that it's wooden, but apparently, just like I said before, apparently it seems like it's not wood, but as I do the varnish, it will take this shape, hopefully. Let's give it a try. Okay, you started to do this, and let's see how it goes. Looks like a wooden box. This has really started to take shape. You see, these lines are coming from the varnish. Pretty good to me. It's a wooden box. So now I'm gonna do more coats of varnish, and basically I'll get back when the final coats are done, and then we'll compare this. This is the table we did recently. So I'll be back.
It sound right, boy.
This has really taken a nice shape of a wooden box. A wooden shiny box. Look at it. Beautiful. So guys, this seems to be a little success project. So let's call it a day. See you later.
It sound right, boy.